Hi guys, that's Shiber speaking from nsKnox Technologies. And today I want to talk about protecting corporate payments while working from home. Imagine for a moment that you are working for a company that has lots of suppliers. And maybe you are the controller or treasurer or maybe manage the accounts payable. So one day you get an email from one of your vendors informing you that they have just changed their bank account details and future payment should be sent to their new bank account. You follow your best practices and call the supplier to confirm it, but no one answers. Of course, many of us are working from home, so you recall that you recently had a discussion with one of their reps, and he mentioned that this might happen, so he also provided a list of their personal phone numbers in case no one answers at the office. You call that other number and have a pleasant conversation with the supplier's accounts rep, and he confirms that everything is okay. So you make the change and send the money. Just to discover a few days later that you were not speaking with your supplier, but with a hacker, and that the payment is gone because it was sent to the wrong account. And that's where many companies are today. Many organizations are working from home, so their standard procedures had to change very quickly to adjust. All of a sudden, tightly coupled processes were disjoined because people are working from home. And fraudsters just love it because it makes it so much easier for them to slip between the cracks. So, what can we do to prevent it? The first thing to do would be to wait. So, if you had to change your supplier's bank account details, wait 7 days, maybe 14 days before issuing a payment to that new account. There is a good chance that the extra time will allow you to identify the fraud. The second thing to do would be to get centralized as much as possible. Maybe you have several subsidiaries that are running payments. It just creates more opportunities to the fraudster. So think about temporarily centralizing everything to 1 or 2 key employees at the headquarters so you can better control it. The last and most important thing to do would be to stop counting on manual procedures such as emails or phone calls. These are hard to track and easy to manipulate. It is much safer to use automatic servers that can rely on external information to validate the new bank account really belongs to your supplier and not to anyone else. Think of it as a title company for bank account ownership. So, just as you use title companies to validate property ownership, you can use such services to validate bank account ownership. By using an automated service, your system can check in real time that each and every payment goes to the right account. So it replaces trust with clarity. Instead of hoping that everything was done correctly, you know that nothing went wrong. And that's a big difference. Good luck, stay healthy, and stay safe.